So I thought I'd see what all the fuss is about, and I went out and bought myself a Craig pocket hole jig. Now to use these pocket hole jigs, you need a clamp, and the problem is, the clamps aren't cheap. Now you can go out and do what most people do and just go buy a Craig clamp, but I think I've found a way to use a cheaper option. I'm just gonna head down to the shops now for a look. I'll meet you there. Okay, I'm at the local hardware store, just checking out the clamps. Here's the Craig here. It's got those nice round clamps. Have a look at the price. Now here's another option. You've got the Trojan, and this is only $24. So a lot cheaper, but there is some issues that come with this clamp. Okay, so they're the two options. I'll see you back at the workshop. So I ended up going with the Trojan. I mean, why wouldn't you? It's basically a third of the price. There's one issue with using this clamp though. When you actually go to clamp on this pocket hole jig, under pressure, this clamp actually crushes into the back of the timber, and I'll show you what I mean. Don't know if you guys can see that, but it actually made an indent in the back of my pine. Pine's a soft timber, and this will happen to all soft timbers. Now the way Craig got around this was on their clamp, they made a nice round foot so that the timber wouldn't crush under pressure. Now, I think I can fix this issue. At this point, I need to start taking some measurements. I'm using Fusion 360, which is a 3D CAD drawing software, to take these drawings, or one of those drawings, into a 3D object so I can print it. Let's go. Now I'm super happy with how they turned out. It's 100% PLA infill, so they're nice and strong, and they actually fit on the clamp perfectly. So I've made that slot at the front, so they slide on super tight. And originally I was actually planning on using some sort of glue to keep them on, but they fit on so tight that you wouldn't need anything. They function perfectly. Let's give them a crack with the Craig pocket hole jig. Work. Nice and tight, nothing's moving, and hopefully take them off and there's absolutely no crushing whatsoever. Now, if you want to make one of these little devices for yourself, just leave a comment down below, leave your email address, and I'll actually send you the file. And if you need to edit it, make it bigger or wider or whatever you want to do to make it fit your clamp, you can do that. 3D print it, and hopefully you can have as much success as I have with my clamps.